This conference will now be recorded.
I
So
think I missed it.
meanwhile, hmm, tell me. Yeah,
Uh, do you have
I
the
can see your
conference room?
screen. No, no, actually I joined from mobile. Okay, no
Yeah.
problem. You take care.
Okay.
I hope you started the recording also, right?
Oh, yes.
Okay, great. Yeah. So let me recall one more time, guys, what we discussed yesterday. So as I told, Docker is one of the open source tool. So by using that, we can build our guest operating systems. So we call them as containers in terms of Docker. What is host machine? So where Docker is installed, that machine is called as host machine. What is Docker image? The OS binary set of OS binaries to boot up your Docker operating system. So basically guest operating system. Those called as images. Container means the running instance of the image. Okay, we create container from the images. So in yesterday's class, I showed how to create. Just a minute. Yeah. Okay. So yesterday's class, I showed how to create a container. Then what is Docker registry? Okay. So those things and all we seen. So in today's class, I will show you how to create our own image also. Okay. And why should I create our own image also? I will tell you. So simple, guys. In real time, for any application, okay, na, minimum three environments we have to set up. Example, one website you are running. Okay, na? So website I can host in different ways, like HTTPD, Tomcat, Nginx. So any one of the tool I can use to host the website. Okay. So there will be three Docker containers should be required. So one is for development purpose, one more is for testing purpose, one more is for production purpose. That is common, guys. Even if you build normal EC2 instance also, we do the same thing. We build three EC2 instances. One is for development purpose, one is for testing purpose, one is for production purpose. Okay, na? So here also same. Like while doing that, so example in whatever I have in Docker development environment, I need the same things in testing and production environment also. Okay, I no need to do it from scratch. First, what I will do, I will have one Docker host for development purpose. Okay, na? So this is Docker host. Do you have Docker engine here? Docker application here? Can you show me? How can I check that Docker is there or not? Docker version or Docker info? Yeah. So Docker info. Can you run Docker info? It will show you full information. Enter. Okay. So full information. What is a client version and all. Now clear the screen. Can you run Docker images and Docker PS? Nothing is there as of now. Okay. As of now, no containers running. So here, as I told, my requirement is, okay, na, my application team came to me and he requested, Amar, I need 3 different environments for my application, for my website. So what I do, I will log into one of the machine. Assume that this is the development Docker host. Okay, na? So here let's create a container. Docker run. Just a minute. Docker run -dat CentOS. Enter. Come on. Okay. So I have one container now. Can you please log into that container? Docker execute -at. Yeah. Basically, this is also one container ID only, guys. The above one. While creating, you can see last line. Docker ps. Docker space execute space -at space your container ID space /bin/bash. Okay, you're inside a container now. It is also one operating system, guys. Now it is a guest operating system. Okay, now we call it as a container. Okay, now I can do anything now. I can install Apache, HTTP. Okay, let's install HTTPD. yum install HTTPD. Wait. Okay, try that. One more thing, guys. Just remember. So, thanks for reminding this. General question, general best practice. I'm telling you, not only for container. Okay, now even while building AWS EC2 instance also, if it is a brand new EC2 instance, just when you log into that machine, always update it. That is the best practice, guys. Doesn't matter if it is a new system, first update it, because the image which you are using may be released 3 months back. So after, since 3 months, if any updates there, those updates won't be available in that image, right? So by doing m update, you will get all the updates. Even it is normal EC2 instance also, guys, not only in Docker. Always remember, make it as a practice. Just first command should be m update, or if it is Ubuntu machine, apt update. Okay, na? Upstream cannot prepare. It seems some yum related configuration issue. Okay, so upstream. Can you please copy this error? Failed to download metadata for repo. Copy that error and Google it. So yum command not working. So maybe that repository. What is the repository folder, guys? How yum works? Do you know that? What is the folder? etc yum.repos.d. That is the folder name, guys. In that folder, you have the repositories. Basically, somewhere it seems some configuration problem. Come down, you will get the solution here. Come down. Wait. If you don't already have it, you will need the GPG keys. Then it's simple as transiting. Okay, can you follow this? Can you run these two commands? No, no, it's all one command only. You have to copy both lines.
Sir, in Ubuntu updating, what is the command?
Apt update.
apt.
Yes, yes.
Oh,
Sorry, both are different commands only. Sorry, Sai. I thought both are same command. Run separate. Hmm. Run it.
Yeah, duplicate also we don't have.
Hmm. Then that's a problem. Uh-huh. Duplicate also you don't have. Okay. Then try for other solution. Just go back. Go back. Come down. Uh, Go with the first solution.
This one, sir.
Wait.
Or we will try with Ubuntu container. First we
No,
will try
just a
to.
minute. Just a minute. I will do in this way. CD slash it. Hmm, this commands. CD command is
This
there.
one.
CD said try those. Yeah. Don't use run. Only CD.
Okay.
Hmm. So what is Docker file? You will come to know later. Only use commands. Yeah. Enter. Hmm. Next. Hmm. No, that command only. Why you came back?
Only one comment, sir. That's
No, all commands. I said 3 to 4 commands you have
okay.
there.
Okay.
All of them you have to run. That's what I told.
I'm using one by one.
The next command. Just I'm following the suggestions, guys. That's it. Hmm.
Yeah, I think it's working.
Yeah. No, Java not. Okay, fine. Anything. Yeah, now it's working. Okay. See, guys, one thing here you have to remember. Okay, now whenever you get an issue, even I don't know this issue now. Okay, now, but all you need is you should be able to Google, guys. That is what we have to learn here. Okay, so no one knows all the things. Even I don't know many things, but I know how to Google what to do. Okay, now that is what you have to learn. Even I don't know what is the exact issue here. Something M repository issue. By running those commands, I'm able to fix the issues. Okay, now no one will help you. It is your responsibility to make the things. First, implement it. Even you don't understand also. Okay, now sometimes if you don't understand, don't leave it. Implement it. Obviously, you will get like the things knowledge. Okay, yeah. No. Systemctl command won't work out. Basically, inside container, systemctl command not, it won't work out. You no need to start like that. There is a different way. Guys, inside container, we don't use systemctl commands. Okay, na? So it won't available. How to start? We'll discuss. We'll come to that point also. Okay, na? So here in development container, assume that this is a development container. So I will get all the requirements from application team. What I have to do. Okay, example, install HTTPD, open the configuration file. So do modification in configuration file. So this thing I will do. Okay, now. Then I will find out application start command, okay, and I will run it. In that way, I will monitor the things. Assume
Sir,
that
your
since one week,
voice is not
I'll
audible,
go
sir.
out.
Your voice is
What
breaking down.
now?
It's still breaking down.
Yeah. Hello, guys. Is it okay now? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. No, okay.
Yeah. So here inside Docker container, systemctl command won't work out, guys, to start the application. Okay, now it is only for standalone servers. Inside container, it won't work out. Okay, I will tell you how to start also later. But as of now, assume that so one application team came to you. He requested some website configuration with 3 environment. Okay, now. So what I do first, I will create one container. I will set up everything. As of now, just hardly 2 steps I did. Just I installed HTTPD. I like maybe assume that I have one configuration file. So that configuration I will open and I will modify the things based on the inputs. Okay, so assume that my container is now up and running. My application is working fine. Okay, na, in development environment. Now I need a same configuration in testing and production environment also. So I no need to redo my work, guys. Okay, na. So I no need to redo my work. What I do simply, I can create image from this container, guys. I can create image from this container again. Now, if I create image from this container, what will be there in that image? As it is, whatever I have now in my container, everything I will get. Like that HTTPD application, that configuration, whatever I did there. Okay, now all the things will come to my image. So with that image, if I create a container, I'll get as it is. No change at all. So very simple. So guys, here today's topic is customized image. Why should I create customized image? So two scenarios I have. One scenario is for recreating different environments. Okay, now guys, if it is a big project, so there will be different environments. Okay, now. So like development, testing, production, UAT, pre-production. So 5, 6 environments you have to create for same application. Okay, now in real time. So you no need to do freshly. What I do first, I will log into development Docker host. I'll build a container. I will create whatever I need, like installation, configuration, everything I will do. I will make sure that my application is working successfully. Okay, now assume that now we did the same thing. Actually, we haven't done anything. Only I installed just HTTPD. That's it. Java. But assume that we did everything. Okay, now come out of the container. That is one scenario. And the second scenario is assume that this container I am using since 6 months. Okay, now I got a latest version for my OS or my application. Some new updates available. Okay, so I want to update my OS. or my application. So, but always we should take the backup, guys. So for backup purpose also, I will create an image from this container. And after that, I will create I will update my container and application. So if any reason, anything corrupted also, no issues. Simply what I can do, I can delete this container from backup image. I can rebuild my container. Same as it is, whatever I have in old container will get in new container. Okay, na? So two scenarios, guys. What is customized image? An image with your custom settings is called as customized image. And what is the purpose of customized image? So there are two scenarios. One is for backup purpose. Example, my container running in 6 months, and now I want to upgrade my container. Okay, na? So before upgrading, I get backup. If I create my customized image, so I'll get everything, whatever I have in my container into the image. Then I will upgrade my container. Okay. If any reason anything corrupted, maybe guys after upgradation, your old functions may not run properly sometimes. Okay, now.
Sir,
So simply
we,
we delete this new container. Sorry.
sir, sir, we are missing your audio.
Uh, Hello. Are you able to hear me now?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
Okay then. Yeah. Okay. So guys, as I told, what is customized image means? So the image with our custom settings is called as customized image. And why do we need customized image mean? There are two reasons why we create customized image. One is example, I have a container. Okay now. Since 6 months it is running fine. Now I got a latest update for my OS as well as my application. Now I want to upgrade it. Okay, like M update. So, but before that, I have to take the backup. Okay, now. So, guys, if I create a customized image from the container, so I will get same settings. Whatever I have in my container, all the things will come to my image. So that is one reason. The second reason is for recreation purpose. So if I want to create different environments for the same application, okay, now so for same containerized application, then in that case also I will create customized image. Okay, now first I will create one container I will do all the setup which I required. Okay, so once my application is up and running, so in that container, I'll create a customized image from that. Then I will store it into some registry, and from there, I will create my containers in my other environment also. So I can reduce my efforts here. It's very easy to create the customized images and to set up the different environments in Docker. Okay, now. So in today's class, what I am doing? So I created one container. I installed HTTPD, Java, and assume that I configured everything what I need. Okay, like setting up the application. So my application is working fine successfully. So assume that. Now I want to create a customized image from that. Okay, can you please exit from the container? Yeah. So I'm in Docker host now. Okay, na? I'm in host machine now. So how to create an image from the container? This is an interview question also. So Docker commit, give it. Docker commit space container ID. Container ID. Type of container ID.
Yeah.
Docker commit container ID space. Do you have Docker account?
No, sir. I
Have
didn't
you
create.
created Docker Hub? Can you do one thing? First, can you please create Docker Hub account? So everybody, guys, create your own Docker Hub accounts. Sign up.
The second one. I think you gave Sairam Sirispalli as your user username.
Go with person. First one. Verify. So everybody create your own account, guys. What is Docker Hub? Guys, what is Docker Hub? It is called as registry, where official images are available. Docker images are available. Okay, na? So in that we can create our own repository and maintain our images also. Okay, so we can create our customized images and we can maintain them. Okay, you can make it public or private, guys, your wish. Public means anybody can download. Private means only authorized persons. We can give access to our account.
Yes, sir. You want me to search anything?
Nothing. Now go back to your Docker host. Yeah. So guys,
Yeah.
here while creating itself, I can give the name. Okay, now to my image. Or else after creation also you can give. So I am showing while creating. Docker commit container ID -t space your account ID, your account, Docker Hub account ID, username, slash your image name
Okay.
with no space, no space, no space, slash, forward slash, not hyphen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Then image name. So how we
Any
give the names like what is this OS? CentOS and
CentOS.
HTTPD, right? Like CentOS hyphen HTTPD. If you give any name, how do you identify? It should be like OS and application details, right? Otherwise, until unless you create container from that image, you cannot understand what is there. Always it should be unique, easy to identify. That kind of names you have to give. Enter. Okay. I think hyphen T not required. Remove hyphen T. So guys, you need more practice to understand the things. Simply don't listen the class. Don't stick to the only topics we have in class. Along with that, again, go to Google and do R&D to get more ideas. Yeah.
You want me to go
Can
to
you do
Docker Hub?
Docker images now? Can you show? Can you use Docker images? See, my own image is available now. What is the base image size? So base image is CentOS. See, my customized image size is 712 MB. Why 712 MB? What is the reason?
Yeah, we have installed Java and best DPD.
Exactly. Because our configuration is also there in that customized image. Yeah, you can check it in doc. First of all, we have to log in to push it. Can you do Docker login? Docker space login. Enter. Provide your username and password. Okay. Login succeeded. Now Docker push. Docker space push space. Your image name, that full name. In Docker images, it is showing, right? That full name. Yeah, full name, full name. Hmm.
Okay, sir. Do you want me to enter?
Yeah. Yes, yes, enter. Now go to your Docker Hub and check it once. Now this image is available in Docker Hub also. Above repositories option is there. Repositories. Hmm. Okay, maybe it's taking some time, but it will come here. Now what you can do, so now this image by default is public, guys. Okay, now because we haven't made any setting. Can you please refresh the page once? Yeah, see, your image is there now. So you can make it private. Private means only your office, like to whom you will provide access, right? That you just select your server, select your image. Ah, here see, you can you have settings. Okay, now settings option. Click on select option. Yeah. Okay, you can make it private here, guys. Don't make it private as of now. Okay, but you can make it private. You can provide access here. Scroll up. You can scan your image. Okay, collaborators. Click on collaborator option. Hmm. Click on collab options. Okay, so here basically you can provide access to your repository. You can add Docker IDs. I mean that Docker Hub IDs, other user IDs. So they will also get access to this repository. But as of now, our image is public. Now anybody can use it. Anybody has Docker host, guys? Anybody has Docker host ready now? Hello, guys. Anybody? Anybody have Docker host? One more Docker host. Okay. Or else, Sairam, can you please create one more Docker host quickly?
Uh, I mean, another server, sir?
Docker host means one more EC2 instance.
Yeah, I already have one.
Hmm. If you have it, just start it and log in.
Yes, sir. What you want me to do?
Yeah. So guys, here assume that this is a test environment. Okay, now. So this is test environment. Now I want to build the same setup one more time, one more container. So I don't need to redo my work. Okay, now I don't need to take a fresh image, create container, and set up the things again one more time. Time waste. Simple. What I do? Can you do Docker images and Docker PS? Docker PS. Okay. Let's build it. Docker run. Docker run -dat. Your image name. That image name. What you pushed, right? Yeah. No. Full name.
Full name with
Full name.
yeah.
Because it is not official images, right? Only for official images, direct image name. But if it is some third party user like you or others, we should use like this full path. Okay, now the username / image name. Enter now. Yeah. Now do Docker PS. Yeah. See guys. So with that I created one more setup, one more container. Like this, any number of containers I can rebuild, any number of environments. So I no need to redo my work, guys. So setting up different environments very easy in Docker. Okay, now. So if you have one setup, from there you will create customized image. From that customized image, you will create different environments. That is one usage. One more usage is backup purpose. Okay, now. So one more usage is backup. Example, I have one container. Since 6 months, my container running. Okay, and now I want to upgrade it. How? So before upgrade, guys, not only in Docker, guys, always backups are very, very important in real time. There are different methods we have. So if it is container means this is the method. So we'll create a customized image from the container and we will push it into registry. Now I have one task for you. Okay, na? As I told, Docker Hub is one of the official repository registry. In that you create a repository means folder and under that you store your images. Okay, that is fine. But there are multiple registries available in the market. Okay, now example, can you please write down, open your notepad. So guys, already these things are available in my Google Drive, whatever I'm telling you. Okay, just to make more remember. Okay, so I'm just giving rough notes. Hmm. Okay, so there are different types of registries available. One is Docker Hub, Docker Hub, Docker Hub. Okay, Docker Hub is the official registry to store images. Along with that, we have ECR. The second one is ECR. In AWS, this is one of the service, guys. Elastic Container Registry. ECR stands for. Next, ACR. Azure Container Registry. Elastic Container Registry. Hmm. One more. ACR. Azure Container Registry. Azure Container Registry. GCR, Google Container Registry. So different Google clouds we have, right? So next, Nexus. Now you have one task, Nexus. Hmm. So can you please go to AWS once, your account, AWS account? Hmm. Search with ECR. ECR. Hmm. Elastic Container Registry. Hmm. Get started. Hmm. Give your repository name, anything. Maybe public means anybody can access, private means only. Give your repository name. Hmm. Anything. Maybe your name, your project name. Come down. Come down. Create repository. Hmm. Select it. Open it. Just click on your registry name.
Yeah.
Click on the side. Click on the name. Yeah. So as of now, no images available. So my requirement is, guys, I showed how to push it into Docker Hub, right? So now your is I want my images available in this registry. Okay, now. So generally we go with ECR also, along with maybe if at all I don't want to use Docker Hub, I can go with ECR also. So here view push commands available. You have to understand this. So right hand corner, click on that right hand command.
Sir, your voice is again breaking.
Sairam,
Yeah,
yeah, view push
commands.
commands on your top right corner.
Sorry, what?
View push commands on top right corner. Yeah,
Okay.
and that's what he told. Yeah, maybe he's breaking it again. I don't know.
Everybody about Yeah. Hello, guys. Are able to hear me now?
Yes, Amar.
Okay. Sorry, guys. I don't know. Okay. So, guys, here your task is okay. So, everybody, you have to create ECR. Okay, repository in ECR. Then you have to follow this. And my requirement is I need my images available in ECR instead of Docker Hub. Okay, na? Please read carefully. Don't directly proceed. First, read it. What he is saying? First, is asking to install AWS CLI. Then, after you have to run these commands, not directly. First, read it properly. Read properly. If any replacements are there, can I run directly as it is? Okay, now. So then after only push your images here. Read carefully from beginning of the line, from beginning line, beginning. Okay, first line. Don't directly execute the things. It won't work out. So first you have to install AWS CLI in your machine in Docker host. Then after only it works. Okay, AWS. Hello, everybody. Hello, guys. Everybody, mute yourself. Okay. Okay, now did you understand the task, guys? Everybody,
Yes,
did you
sir.
understand the task?
Yes.
Okay, so by tomorrow class, before tomorrow class, I need your images here instead of Docker Hub. So please keep it ready. Okay, na? Then in tomorrow class, I will show you how to build any application in normal Linux operating system like EC2, and the same thing how to build in your container. Okay, na? So those things I will show in tomorrow class, guys. Okay?
Okay, man.
Yeah.
Sure,
Okay
Amar.
then, guys. Practice more, Google more, guys. Try to understand the terminologies. Okay, if something you don't understand, please again Google it. Again, like if still you're not able to understand, come to me in class. You can ask me, but don't keep it with you. It won't work out. Okay? Yeah. Okay then, guys. We'll meet tomorrow then. Same time. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye.
Bye, man.
Thanks, Amar.
Okay, Raj. Bye.